iStrive has reintroduced its lifetime plans and it looks like a great deal. Let's find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and if you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the discount link in the description below where you might find some discounts. So what exactly makes up a good cloud storage? There are certain things like good download and upload speeds, security and privacy, pricing, ease of use, and collaboration tools. Let's first look at its speed. I would say iStrive offers decent download and upload speed. When I was testing by uploading a 5 GB of file to the cloud, it took 7 minutes, and to download the video, it took just 6 minutes. This is actually better than many of the cloud storage services. Talking about the per file upload limit, there is no such limit on iStrive, and you can upload a file as big as you want. Additionally, you can also set up passwords and expiry. You will find the folder sharing features in iStrive too, which means if you work with freelancers and collaborators, it's going to make it easier to share and collaborate. It also supports third-party uploads, which means that other users don't need to log in or have an account to upload or download files. A feature that I like about this service is that it lets you preview files online. We can play videos, audios, view photos, and files in its media player. So we don't have to download every file to see what's in it. That saves a lot of time and space. The only downside being you cannot change the resolution of the video. Now let us move on to the ease of use. If you are using Windows, you need to download and install their app. Once you do that, a virtual drive would appear next to your other hard drives. You can access your cloud storage like any other storage device. If you want to upload something to your cloud, all you have to do is copy the file to your new virtual drive and it will be synced automatically. If you delete something from your virtual drive, it also gets deleted from the cloud as well. However, this virtual drive function isn't available on Mac and you will have to use their app to carry out uploads and downloads. That's a bit of a downside. It works the same on iOS and Android devices. You can easily sync your data by uploading it directly to their app. And what if you accidentally deleted something? Well, in that case, you can take advantage of their version history feature that lets you access the past 10 versions for a period of 180 days. So in that sense, we can go back in time and fix our file. Now let us look at the most important factor, which is privacy and security. iStrive is great with security as it has client-side encryption. With that, everything is encrypted on your device before it hits the servers. So iStrive, government, or even hackers can't see what's inside your cloud storage. They will only see some random codes. The data can only be accessed and viewed by you with the help of the security codes that only you possess. Also, iStrive has servers in Europe, which is great as they offer better privacy laws as compared to the US and comply with GDPR as well. Now that we have gone through everything, let's see what's the cost behind. iStrive used to offer lifetime plans which were bang for buck deals. You just have to buy the storage once and use it forever. That made it the best value for money. However, in the past, they limited it from lifetime to 5 years and then to 2 years. But now they have reintroduced the lifetime plans, which makes it again a great deal. They also offer monthly plans, but let's talk about the lifetime plans first. So the plan starts from $300 for 512 GB, and if in future you realize you need more space, you can stack 128 GB or 512 GB on top of that for $80 and $200 respectively. So down the road of 4 years, you will recover all your money as compared to monthly or yearly plans. But if you want to know about monthly, yearly and 2 yearly plans, then these are the pricing options. You can take a moment to absorb. You will see that these are cheaper than lifetime plans, and the reason is obvious. If you want to try before committing to the lifetime plan, then you can do that too. You can find the link in the description below and you might get some additional discount. That's it for today. Now if you are looking for a way to clean your Mac, then you can watch this video right here. And if you are a Windows user, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.